interruption there, which I'll try and edit, but we'll continue. I'm using a clothes peg to hold the two boards together and get this on. The pitch is very small, and although you can see it through the microscope, I'm doing most of it by eye. I'm not sure. Right. Everything's in the way. You wouldn't believe the setup I've got here. I'm going to tip it down slightly. Let's try a bit more light. See if that makes any difference. Wrong way. Turn it that way. And that's my teacup being bashed by my ashtray. Right. Stroking down each of the cores. I think I've just seen a bridge, which I shall try and get rid of in a minute. I think that this is a PCB laying on top of a PCB. Now then, where was that bridge? It's back here somewhere, that one. Clean the tip. This is the smallest tip on my soldering iron. I was thinking of hot airing. I'm not sure what that would do. They're all okay, I think, until I get that bridge off. Okay, I'm going to try. Something else falling over. This is just, I just decided all of a sudden to do this. Obviously, one has a mad idea at this time on a Sunday. There's bugger all else. I'm going to wick a little bit of this into there. My clothes peg. Nah. Is that? Let me have a closer inspection of this. There's definitely a bridge there, and it's underneath pin 5 and 6. 5 and 6. I don't think 5 goes anywhere. Right, that's something else happened then. I don't know. Flashed up about not being optimised. I don't know whether that came up on the screen. Right, let's go. It's just tiny, this thing. sure people are screaming at me there's a better way to do this. And to be honest, I'm sure there is. I just need to work it out. I can't see. Do I need the clothes peg on there anymore? No. Come on, solder wick. I know you're getting hot because you're burning my finger. Oh. Well, this is terrible. I can't see that bridge by eye, but it's definitely there. Right, let's try a different bit of flux. I've got a flux pan here. Let's see if that helps. Clean the tip right up as best I can. And no. That's that one. Clean tip again. Oh, flipping heck. They love each other so much. There's a bit of solder, and that's 2 pins. Let's try. Whoa, 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 whoa. Is that done? It looks done. Let's inspect it a bit better. Let's get some isopropyl and a brush. And see if I've cracked it. Literally. I was going to say toilet paper, but I mean kitchen paper. Put that there. Right. And we'll see. I'm trying to find somewhere to put the... That's it. I was just swabbing the flux off. You can see how tiny this is by the amount of zoom I've got in. Well, I would say that is as near to perfect as I can get it. And I've got a switch, well, a button to solder onto there, which I'm thinking I might just do while I'm here, since I've made such a perfect job of that one. And we'll find a button. Should I have a pair of tweezers? I think I ought to have a pair of tweezers to hold the button. He said, searching for his tweezers. I used to have them hanging up, and then I decided, because I've got a couple of scalpels, oh, let's put them all in a box, safely out the way. I'll go with the cranked ones. That's these here, these enormous tweezers. Put that over there, and go find the button. I'll tip the button onto the table, cloth. If I can get it out of the packet. You can hear a lot of crackling. I haven't bothered with the big camera that don't focus. I thought I'd try it with just this. And that goes there. Button's just coming into shot. That's there. Right, let's have a little practice at picking something up. Put it back down. Right, I'm passing out with isopropyl alcohol fumes here. That's it. I'll put that back. And I'm going to put a bit of flux there because I want to, because I've only got one pair of hands. I'll use this flux pen. It looks really clumsy because I can't see what I'm doing. And I don't think there's any flux coming out. Let me give it a good old shake. On that, the others I used sticky, gooey flux, which is, that's come out now. I can see it running everywhere. Let's wedge that top on, get the soldering iron, put some solder on it. Actually, let's get the button onto the board. Now this is a little cheap old microscopic camera, and it works really well considering that it was cheap as chips. Right, first off, let's try and get some solder on there. Have we managed that? Yes, we have. A bit far on, so I'm going to, with my tweezers, just move it back, and because the way this is orientated, the microscope is just in the way of me getting it perfectly lined up. I need to come this way a bit more. Back again. Back again. There. I think that's where it needs to be. Now, clean the tip, because I've been told that's the way to do it all the time. And just drop a solder on there and up to the button. That's got better, I think. I'll give that a clean. Where to put the brush? Yeah. Give it a keep putting things away that I shouldn't put away, and I can't find them. Right, let's see if I can get that in focus better. My hands weren't shaking so much. Oh, good. It's not the microscope's problem. Right, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to zoom down on the microscope. Or with the microscope, should I say. No, it's going all out of focus. So bring it back into focus. Like that. And I'll now show you all my lovely soldered joints on the edge. There's one there that's not. Should I try it? I mean, it doesn't look like it goes anywhere, but I think I might. And that's the button. The button's fine. So pin number, that pin, I'm going to have to see if that's actually bridged. I don't think it is, but of course no flux on the board now. Get on the top. I need a tiny bit of solder. Jink. I think that's soldered. I think that's it. I think that's it. And then, how can we look at this? Wrong way, Barney. Go that way. Yes. Yes. Look at that. Perfect. Ah! I was just too clever for my shirt, as they sang in the song. If only I could operate a camera. Like this sort of focus. It's a great little scope. Anyway, see there's a bit of rubbish on the board there. I'll clean that off later, on that side. And we'll turn it around and focus in that side. Yes, a little bit of splatter above the K there, a bit of solder. We'll check this again. Ooh. I'm quite happy with that. In fact, I'm very happy with that. That's come off. That's my other bits I soldered on ages ago, not on this video. LED resistor and a capacitor, and that's it. It's so zoom up a little bit. See if we can get a bigger spread. This is a board designed, as I said, by Mr. Bacon. And it says breakout board for the KCX BT emitter, which is just soldered on, Bluetooth audio transmitter, and will automatically connect to a previous device. It's a Bluetooth. Yeah. And I think it's here it says Ralph Bacon. YouTube. Ralph Bacon. Thank you, Ralph. Anyway, that's it. That's done. That's it really. Not a lot else to say. And hopefully this is all recorded and I just haven't been talking to myself, which happens a lot. Generally when I'm walking the dog, I talk to the dog. I do. I have conversations with him. A bit like talking to the computer when you're recording.